Welcome to How to Play Spiderette Solitaire. To play, you will need a 52-card deck. The layout will have 7 tableau piles. 1 card in the first column, 2 cards in the second column, and so on with 7 cards in the 7th column. The remaining deck is set aside and the top card of each column is flipped up. The object of the game is to remove all the cards from the layout. Once cards are in sequence from king down to ace, they can be removed. Cards can move within the layout if the card being moved is 1 rank lower than the card it is being moved to. When a face-down card becomes the top card of a column, it is flipped face up. When there is an empty space in a column, any card or sequence of cards can be moved to it. Cards in sequence can be moved together. You can play that any sequence can be moved for the easiest gameplay. To make the game more difficult, play that a sequence can only move if the cards are of the same color. And even more difficult, play that a sequence can only move if the cards are in the same suit. The player will continue to make moves until no more moves can be made. At that point, the player will play 1 card face up to each column from the deck. The player will then go back to the gameplay with the goal of getting the cards into a king to ace sequence. Once a king to ace sequence is created, the cards in that sequence are removed from the layout. If a player is able to get all the cards out of the layout, the game is won. If a player gets stuck with no more cards in the deck, the game is lost. If you enjoyed learning how to play Spiderette Solitaire, and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy-to-follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.